Look at a chimpanzee. It is 5 times stronger than you. It has sharper teeth, denser bones, and a faster reaction time. In a fair fight, a human doesn't stand a chance. Yet, humans rule the planet, and chimpanzees live in zoos. The reason, of course, is the human brain. We have the most complex biological supercomputer in the known universe sitting inside our skulls. But here is the darkest secret of human evolution. Having a massive brain is actually a terrible survival strategy. In fact, biologically, it is a huge mistake. Think about it. Your brain makes up only 2% of your total body weight, but it burns a massive 20% of your daily calories. It is an absolute energy hog. If you are a wild animal trying to survive in a forest where food is scarce, having an organ that constantly steals 1/5 of your energy is a death sentence. If you starve, your brain will literally eat your body's energy to keep itself running, and the danger doesn't stop there. Because our brains grew so fast, human heads became massive. This made human childbirth the most painful and dangerous childbirth in the entire animal kingdom. For thousands of years, having a big brain literally killed millions of mothers and babies. Evolution is supposed to be efficient, so why would nature build an organ that drains our energy and makes childbirth deadly? For millions of years, human brains were small. We were just another average ape. The calorie barrier stopped our brains from growing. You see, wild apes eat raw leaves, fruit, and raw meat. Raw food takes a massive amount of energy and time to digest. A gorilla has to sit and chew for 9 hours a day just to get enough calories for its tiny brain. If humans ate raw food, like gorillas, we would have to eat for 10 hours every single day just to keep our massive brains turned on. So, how did we break the calorie barrier? We cheated. About 1.5 million years ago, a human ancestor called Homo erectus made the greatest discovery in the history of life on Earth: fire. But fire wasn't just for keeping warm. Fire was an external stomach. When you cook food, the heat breaks down the tough fibers and proteins. Cooking is literally pre-digesting food outside of your body. Suddenly, a piece of meat that took 6 hours to chew and digest took only 30 minutes. Cooking unlocked 100% of the calories in our food, and we didn't have to use our own body's energy to digest it. Because we didn't need huge intestines to digest raw food anymore, our digestive system shrank, and all that leftover massive amount of energy went straight to the top. Our brains exploded in size. Fire didn't just cook our food, fire built our brains. But wait, this brings up an even bigger mystery. Just because you have extra energy doesn't mean you have to use it for intelligence. We could have used that extra energy to grow giant muscles like gorillas, or run faster like cheetahs. Why did evolution force all that energy into making us smarter? The answer is terrifying. We didn't get smarter to fight predators. We got smarter to fight each other. It is called the social brain hypothesis. As humans learned to cook and survive, our tribes got bigger and built friendships. To survive in a human tribe, you needed to process a massive amount of social data, outsmarted and kicked out of the tribe. If this video blew your mind, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's figure this world out together.